The Ohio State Leadership Studies is a behavioral leadership theory. A series of studies on leadership was done by Ohio State University in 1945 to identify observable behaviors of leaders instead of focusing on their traits. They found two critical characteristics of leadership, either of which could be high or low or independent of one another. They found two critical characteristics of leadership, either of which could be high or low or independent of one another. The research was based on questionnaires to leaders and subordinates of the organizations. These are known as the Leader Behavior Description Questionnaire LDBQ and the Supervisor Behavior Description Questionnaire, that is SBDQ. Ultimately, these studies narrowed the description of leader behavior into two dimensions. One is initiating structure behavior. In this, the behavior of leaders who define the leader-subordinate role so that everyone knows what is expected, establishes formal lines of communication, and determine how tasks will be performed. The second is consideration behavior, which means the behavior of leaders who are concerned for subordinates and attempt to establish a warm, friendly, and supportive climate. Now, what is consideration? Consideration is the extent to which a leader exhibits concern for the welfare of the members of the group. This factor is oriented towards interpersonal relationships, mutual trust, and friendship. This leadership style is people oriented. Some of the statements used to measure this factor in the LBDQ are being friendly, treating all group members as his or her equal, looking out for the personal welfare of group members, and making him or herself accessible to the group members. Now, what is initiating structure? So, initiating structure is the extent to which a leader defines leader and group member roles, initiates actions, organizes group activities, and define how tasks are to be accomplished by the group. This leadership style is task oriented. Some of the statements used to measure this factor in the LBDQ are letting group members know what is expected of them, maintaining definite standards of performance, scheduling the work to be done, and checking that group members follow standard rules and regulations. The Ohio State Leadership Studies also showed that initiating structure and consideration are two distinct dimensions and not mutually exclusive. A low score on one does not require a high score on the other. Hence, leadership behavior can be plotted on two separate axes rather than on a single continuum, as shown in the following diagram. The four quadrants in the figure shows various considerations of initiating structure and the consideration. In each quadrant, there is relative mixture of initiating structure and consideration, and a manager can adopt any one style. Notably, the two factors correlate with the people task division that appears in other studies and as preferences. The findings of Ohio State Leadership Studies suggest that effective leaders possess a strong ability to work with others and build a cohesive team that is balanced with the capability to create structure within which activities can be accomplished. Now, coming to the conclusions, the Ohio State study suggested that the high leadership style, that is high in initiating structure as well as high in consideration, generally results in positive outcomes, but there are exceptions which indicate that situational factors should be integrated into the theory. The Ohio studies have value for the study of leadership. They were the first to emphasize the importance of both task direction and consideration of individual needs in assessing leadership. This two-dimensional approach lessened the gap between the strict task orientation of the scientific management movement and the human relations